Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log out of your Facebook Messenger. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing, you need to log into your Messenger application. Once you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. As you tap on the profile page, you'll be directed to the account. And right at the bottom, you need to scroll down and then you'll be able to see an option as account settings, which you need to click on it. After that, you'll be directed to the settings page, and once you're on the settings page, you'll be able to see a list of options. And once you're on this page, you need to slightly scroll down and then tap on security and login. And once you click on it, on the other page, you'll be able to see your activity or the devices that you're logged in. So you need to click on see more in order to expand it. For instance, let's say that if you're logged into 3 different devices, then what you need to do is, in order to log out of all the devices, you can simply tap on the 3-dot icon just next to it. And as you click on the 3-dot icon, you'll be able to see an option as not you and log out. So just tap on log out, and after that you'll be logged out of all the devices that you are currently logged in. And after that, in order to verify, you need to provide a password associated with your Facebook account. And after that, you've logged out of your Facebook Messenger. So that is how you can log out of your Facebook Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.